Welcome to our channel. It's me, Tshegofatso. I'm being distracted by the dogs behind me, sorry. Hope you're going to enjoy today's video, just a day in the life. Yeah, hope you're going to enjoy it. Let's hop right in. I have got housework to do and I'm gonna get started. I'll probably bath earlier because I find that when I leave bathing for evening, it's a bit cold at night. So I'm gonna try to bath first before I get too busy. Hey guys, I'm done bathing. It's time for me to hit the laundry now. I decided to take a break and have lunch, and it looks like I've been slow again today because I just discovered that it's 3 o'clock and soon it's time to cook supper in exactly 2 hours. But the thing is, I'm not yet done cleaning the house. Anyways, taking a lunch break. I was going to mop, but I decided that I'm tired. I feel wiped out. I started late, honestly, because I was tired from doing laundry yesterday. And, oh, this is so wet. Yeah, I was tired from doing laundry yesterday. I started a bit late, so the day kind of ran away from me a little bit. It's already about 4. I'm gonna start peeling the potatoes and just get ready to get supper started. I just got this green cauliflower from the garden. I had to break it, so I kind of uprooted it with the roots. I'm gonna give the leaves to the chickens just now. I wonder what happened to it, if it got crossed with broccoli or something. There's a new annoying cock, this one in the front. It gets into the garden, gets into the house. It's quite a character. Every time I try to put something through the gate, it always jumps to my hand. These things eat a lot. They eat fast. You can spend the whole day eating. So we gave them water and grain, and they've already finished their food. Ooh. How do I get this thing inside? Come and get it, boys and girls. There we go. Watch out. Whoops. sorry. All right, Wana, let's go. So supper is loading. So I've got the cauliflower, I've got the potatoes, and under the potatoes is the carrots. And then we've got the meat. Amon marinated this for me before he left, and oh my gosh, it smells so good. What I wish I could do is I wish I had a more crunchy vegetable for a salad instead of cauliflower, but because I don't have that, I'm just gonna go with cauliflower and the carrots, sort of like a salad. So anyway, I'm gonna go working. I'm not going to show this. You will see the meal at the end. I decided to include a gravy for the dinner, so I've been roasting my onion and garlic. Sorry, my camera is fogging up. So I'm gonna let this cook. I'm gonna let it cook until the tomatoes are cooked, and then I'm gonna add beefy bovril, just for color. It has its own salt. I put a little bit salt in the onion already, so I'm gonna just add just a little bit just for color. It's actually not necessary, but I'm just trying to make it look a little bit different from our normal everyday onion and tomato mix. The gravy is looking good. It's just onion and tomato and a little bit of beefy bovril. It doesn't really show as well as it does when I'm looking at it with my eyes, that it's browned a little bit. And meanwhile, I also have the potatoes getting started here. So my prep work is all set. I'm going to basically cook these veggies and roast the potatoes and the meat when Amon is here. I like to overcook my potatoes a little bit and roast them on the stovetop grill. Amon likes to leave the skins on and make them crunchy, roasting them on the stovetop with the brass squattle. So yeah, almost done. The next time you see the end of the video, I'll be actually showing you the meal. Veggies, I've got a little bit of water in there, and I'm gonna put a tot of oil, and then I'm going to cook. I'm going to try not to overcook them, and then the only thing I'm adding is salt. Just keep it simple. I nearly forgot to add salt to the veggies. Guys, I've tried to cook modestly. Amon tends to cook mountains of food, and I'm not very disciplined. I'm the type of person that I don't want to see food go to waste, and then what happens is I try to eat whatever has been cooked so that we don't throw it away. And by that, I put on weight. Whereas when I cook, he will often say, "Wow, the food is too small," and then it turns out he has enough. Yeah. So I try to cook as much as I think we can eat, and hopefully that's the thing. He plans for leftovers, and then I overeat because I want to clear all the I want to clean the pots basically, and he is usually not here to overeat whatever is left with me. So I'm just trying to cook just enough and not factor in the leftovers. I don't care for leftovers. I don't want to eat unnecessarily. Potatoes are done. I'm going to oil them and put them to roast. I just decided that I'll go ahead and finish cooking, and when Amon comes, we'll just warm up the food. I had pre-salted them, and the salt is always good. I'm just going to put a little bit of this and then throw them on the grill. The meat is cooking. The potatoes on the grill are also looking good. I'm just going to flip them. Hey! So I think it's done. I've tried to cut, check if there's any blood. It looks done. So I'm gonna turn this off and wait for Amon. Go into bed a little bit. Voila, this is dinner. As I was dishing, Amon was like, let me put a signature. I'm like, which is what? I don't want some.
Okay.
I'll have in the morning. And he says, he starts putting the avocado. So he's impressed. He says that I cooked the Kapulu Standard.
Yes,
Guys, I want to say shout out to the couple from Australia. Oh my gosh. Amon has just been telling me the crazy story. I think I might have mentioned in the video yesterday that we've been having car problems. But that's the part I could have edited out because I decided to split the video of yesterday into 2 parts. It was too long. I'll play the other part on Monday. But anyway, the point is, we've been having car problems. The car battery won't charge for some reason. And Amon has a breakdown this morning. First of all, he says our former pastor stopped for him to help. He's also a mechanic by trade. And after he left them, then this couple stops and then they explain that we know you don't know us, we're your subscribers, we love your channel. They basically saw the car. When he told me that they saw him straight and my heart just sank. I'm like, whenever you're in a funny spot, you always have what you call witnesses. But what a blessing they are. They actually gave him $20, which kinda helped him to move the car actually, because yeah, what a blessing. I mean, who thinks that help would come all the way from Australia, but they're visiting home now. And yeah, thank you guys so much. And you passed your greetings, so I send greetings to you as well. So anyways, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this the video today. Until next time, bye. Oh my gosh. Now Alan says Canada or Australia. If I got it wrong, forgive me, but he's the one who got it wrong if he got it wrong. So anyways, yeah, until next time. Bye-bye.